Hi, I'm Mark Woolbright with Vertical Garden Supply, and I wanted to show the way a lot of our integrated components that we've designed ourselves work to enable just about anybody to build a living wall of any size or configuration. First things first, you've got to mount a living wall or a vertical garden to a building or a wall in some case. And for commercial installs, we recommend using Unistrut. And this is a piece of Unistrut, and you can get the specifications for this particular version of it on our website. We make these little twist keys here. They're aluminum and they're made specifically to twist right into the throat of this. And then that enables us to take our wire, and you can see our wire then hangs on that. So you can twist the keys in anywhere you need them, and then it enables you to attach our Varden structural wire, and then everything flows from there. So we've got a variety of mounting hardware that we've designed ourselves to make it simple for anybody to mount a vertical living wall or vertical garden anywhere. The first piece we start with is our mounting cleat, and these come in our Varden 36 and 24 kits, but they're used for really large walls of just about any size. What they do is they've got a flange here that's got slotted holes, and those bolt directly to a wall or a post or the building in some fashion. And then it's got this throat right here that carries the wire. So what would happen is once this bolted to the wall, then the wire, our structural wire, sits right in this, and it can be turned around the other way with the flange in or the flange out. And then we've got a little hole here so that you could run a zip tie or a wire around that and the wire, just as a safety to make sure it doesn't get bumped up and out. But gravity takes care of this, and these things work great, and you can see them on our website.